is your teacher Jams. Have you ever shared your cake or pizza with your friends and argue whoever got the biggest pieces? Well, that's actually a fraction problem. So children, before we proceed to our new discussion, I have prepared some songs. So the lyrics is right over here, and teacher Jams will sing it first, and then after you will join with me. So it goes like this. Ordering fractions 1, 2, 3, from the smallest to the big you'll see. First you check the bottom part, the denominator where you start. Larger numbers mean smaller size, order them from low to high.
Are you ready to sing, children? Let's sing!
Ordering fractions 1, 2, 3, from the smallest to the big you'll see. First you check the bottom part, the denominator where you start. Larger numbers mean smaller size, order them from low to high. Welcome to our math discussion video. Today, we're going to help you to figure out how to order fraction. By the end of this video, you'll know how to arrange fraction from smallest to biggest or biggest to smallest. Now, here's Teacher Shai in the next video.
Thank you, Teacher Jams. Hi children, this is your teacher, Teacher Shai. Now, let's review what the meaning of fraction. When we say fraction, it is a represent of a whole number and it has two parts. It is a numerator and denominator. When we say numerator, it is the top number and the denominator is the bottom number. For example, 3 over 4. The 3 is a numerator and the denominator is 4.
You Teacher Shai, now Teacher Judy will ask you a question. Did you know that ordering fractions is useful in everyday in our life? How? We use it when comparing sizes, sharing food, or organizing data. It helps us understand which amount is bigger or smaller. Yes, here's Teacher Jafar explain further.
Hi kids, I am Teacher Noor. Now you already know what is numerator and denominator. When the denominators are the same, just compare the numerators. The bigger the numerator, the bigger the fraction. Example, between 3 over 8 and 5 over 8, 5 over 8 is greater because 5 is more than 3.
Here's another example. Let's say we have these fractions, 9 over 4, 1 over 4, and 3 over 4. We are going to order them from smallest to biggest. Here's a trick. Imagine a pizza. 1 over 4 is just one small slice. 9 over 4 has 9 slices. 3 over 4 is 3 slices. So which one is the smallest? Yup, 1 over 4. Now you try, which is the biggest one? That's right, 9 over 4 is the biggest. So, from smallest to biggest, we have 1 over 4, 3 over 4, and 9 over 4.
So here's another example for our topic. And now we're going to arrange them from biggest to smallest. Okay, so again children, where does denominators located? Yes, very good. The denominator is located at the bottom part. And I'm going to give you the three fractions. We have 5, 6, 1, 3, and 2, 3. And now, first, let's find the LCD, the least common denominators. And the LCD of these three fractions is 6. So now, let's turn all of the denominators into 6.
So now we have 2 over 6, 4 over 6, and 5 over 6. From biggest to smallest, that's 5 over 6, 4 over 6, and 2 over 6.
If the denominators are different, we need to find a common denominator or convert the fractions to decimals. Example,
You are trying to find the least
common denominator or LCD of the fractions 1 over 2 and 2 over 3. Step 1. Find the denominators. The denominators are 2 and 3. Step 2. Find the least common denominator. The LCD is the least common multiple or LCM of 2 and 3. The multiples of 2 times 1 equals 2, 2 times 2 equals to 4, 2 times 3 equals to 6, and 2 times 4 equals to 8. The multiples of 3 times 1 equals to 3, 3 times 2 is equals to 6, 3 times 3 equals to 9. And find which the number is similar. Since 6 have both, then the least common multiple is 6. Step 3. Convert the fractions to have the LCD as the denominator. 1 over 2 becomes 3 over 6 because 1 times 3 is equals to 3 and 2 times 3 is equals to 6. 2 over 3 becomes 4 over 6 because 2 times 2 is equals to 4 and 3 times 2 is equals to 6. And this is the final answer. The LCD is equals to 6, 1 over 2 is equals to 3 over 6, and 2 over 3 is equals to 4 over 6. Sarah ate 1/4 of a pizza, Ben ate 1/3 of a pizza. How much pizza did they eat altogether? Since the denominator are 4 and 3, we're going to find the LCD. The LCD of 4 and 3 is equals to 12. And then change the fraction to have the same denominator. 1 over 4 is equals to 3 over 12 and 1 over 3 is equals to 4 over 12. And then step 3, add the fractions. Since the fraction is 3, 4, you're going to add them is equals to 7. So the final answer is 7 over 12. They ate 7 over 12 of a pizza altogether. Let's all remember, kids, the step to order fractions. Step 1, find a common denominator. Step 2, convert the fractions. Step 3, compare the numerators. Step 4, put them in the correct order. It's either smallest to biggest or biggest to smallest.
That's fun trivia.
Thank you. See you in our next video.
Pose with the fans.